Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Back up now so you can undo changes if needed. Once backed up, check software controls, open Control Center, and move the volume slider to confirm the system responds. Next, disconnect Bluetooth and wired audio to isolate the button. Perform a force restart for iPhone 8 and later. Press volume up, press volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This often clears transient software hangs. Once restarted, check why the button might not work by inspecting sound settings. Sometimes custom ringtones or do not disturb interfere. Make sure you can change volume with on-screen controls. Enable assistive touch so you can use a virtual volume control immediately. Updating iOS fixes known bugs. Go to Settings General Software Update and install any updates. If settings look corrupted, reset all settings. This keeps your data but restores defaults, which often resolves stubborn software conflicts. If software steps fail, address physical issues. Debris or grime can block the switch, so gently clean around the button with compressed air or a soft brush and avoid liquids. Once cleaned, retest. Try a wired headphone remote if available, because that isolates whether the issue is mechanical or software. If the button remains unresponsive, contact Apple support or an authorized repair shop for replacement. And remember, enable assistive touch as a reliable workaround while you arrange repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.